What's the meaning of bungee? Bungee. Bungee.
Bungee. Bungee. The word bungee refers to a type of elastic cord that is used for various purposes such as in sports, outdoor activities, and industrial applications. Bungee cords are made of strong rubber strands covered in a woven fabric, which allows them to stretch and then snap back to their original length. They are commonly used for securing and transporting items, as well as providing a thrilling experience in bungee jumping and other extreme sports. Bungee cords have become an essential tool in many industries because of their flexibility, strength, and durability. Overall, the word bungee describes a versatile and practical tool that has found its way into multiple fields of use.